Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is how to build relationship with people. Relations, how do you build relations and how do you make contacts? Relation is not only that it's between husband and wife, it's between mother and father, daughter, sister, like daughter, son, sister, brother. Relationship doesn't only happens between this named relationship can be anything. It may be you are working in your working place, you may build relationship with people, like you have good connections, you have good friendship. So of course you have to understand that relationship is that connection with people which becomes a great bonding with time, and we start to give names to those relationships. It could be friendship, it could be a husband wife relationship, it's father daughter, mother son relationship, this way. And when you build relationships, those are that you make. So these relationships are from childhood, as we are with father, mother, our brothers, sisters, etc. These are the relationships that we come with. We don't make these relationships happen, and we give name to these relationships. And the relationship of friendships or husband and wife or dating relationships, all we make. So if in the workplace also we make relationships, like the relationship between the boss and the worker, between two workers, a person who is working with a team, so that person has to have good relationship with the team. So this way, the relationship is very important in every aspects of life. One has to deal with relationships very tactfully, and one has to learn to make people work for them or have build a very good relationships. So here I am giving you few tips about how you can enhance relationships. First of all, things that you should not do in relationships. First of all, never try to control any person anywhere. Never try to control, because no one wants to get controlled. It's that if someone knows, if someone has no knowledge about something, that person may ask you, you better give that person suggestions or train that persons. But this is a very bad thing. Many people try to control others, many people try to control other people's life, which is not at all very good. So you have to keep in mind that controlling other people is not a very good thing. So secondly, the thing is, you have to understand the potentials of the person in front of you. Once you understand his potentials, you will be able to guide that person. Instead of controlling that person, if you try to be friend with that person and try to guide that person would be very happy and humble to approach you. This controlling attitude is basically trying to keep someone in your hold, in your control, which no one wants to be controlled by anyone. And this controlling attitude happens when you are insecure from yourself. If you find someone is controlling you, you have to understand that person who is controlling is not well organized within himself, or is not well managed mentally. That person doesn't know how to deal with whom, wherever. Maybe that person only knows to control and keep everyone in his hands. So this is not the way to deal with people, or this way relationships spoil. So if you find someone is free with you and someone is trying to approach you, give them a chance to talk to you, give them a chance to be your friend. Well, you have to have certain limits, which I have explained in one of my videos, that you should not share certain things with anyone. So those video would be applicable with this video. You can first you watch this one and then you try to watch that one. You have to maintain a boundary in your life. You should not make anyone let them enter your life. So you have to put a boundary, but You have to maintain the relationship through your behavior, your personality, your knowledge. You have to deal with various kind of people, so you definitely have to learn to behave with them or learn to deal with them. Secondly, try to be their friend, and try to, instead of competing with them, try to do the given task. Like, you can share that task with each other, you can do it together. Because if you start to compete with that person, no one likes those person, and this way relationship also breaks. Many of my previous connections I have just cut the connections just because they are trying to control me and they are trying to compete with me with no reason. Why the hell I'm going to compete with someone? Because it's not a competition that I am doing with them. It's I am trying to keep a relationship which those persons were trying to take to a competitive level, which I was not interested to do. So I had to cut through that connection. But I understood that keeping a relationship is more important. There is no place for competition. This competitive attitude makes you feel more makes you feel more like very superior, but in front of the person, your image would be that you are very inferior and you don't have etiquettes, or you are not able to connect with people. So you have to be very much gentle with the person when you find it comfortable, and the person, if you find a positive response, you have to deal accordingly. So, and this next thing comes, in a relationship, it's very important to value each other. If you insult a person, you cannot expect that person to value you, right? If you want that person should value you, you have to value that person first. Then only you can expect that person would value you. So these are certain things that you have to understand, that you have to know. You should be aware of these things before you try to build connections or build relationships with people. Because in relationships, certain things come that people, when they notice that this is a very negative person, or this person is always trying to compete, or maybe person is very envy or jealous with the other person, maybe they would try to keep away from. So if you want a true relationship or true relationship of friendship, you have to keep in mind all of these things. So this, once you start to follow these things and be careful about, then you will find that your juniors, whoever watching the video and work with their juniors, or have a team, they work with team members, they will find that it's very easy to connect with their fellow workers, or it would be very easy to talk to them. Because when you don't have those competitive attitudes, or maybe you are not giving place for competition, you are treating each other as equal. You are a human being, that person is also a human being, so you have to respect the person to get respect in return. So when you follow these things, you will automatically understand that relationship is getting to a better position. So, friends, I hope this was helpful to you. So, do try these things and tell me, comment me down how it has affected you in your life, in your daily life, in your work life. And if you do follow these points already, you know from the beginning. So, you can also comment me that how these relationships can be enhanced even more in a better way. So, thank you, friends. Love you all. Bye bye.